Trash Talk! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I'm in front of shoes. If you've been here before, you know what that means. If you haven't been here before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you guys know about it. I'm super excited about today's video simply because I love my little shoe collection that I got for me, and I'm so happy to share it with you guys. So as you can see, I love ones. Ones are like my favorite pair of Jordans to wear and collect. I have some in the future that I want to get. I missed out on the patent leather ones, the blue, navy blue, light blue, and white ones, and I just cannot find them, and I'm so mad that I didn't know about them prior to, because I definitely would have got them, and they were cheap. They're like $125, so I was like, ugh, I'm so mad I didn't get those, but there's always hope. I'm gonna stay hopeful, and I'm gonna stay praying that I get them, but there are some ones that I want to get in the future. The shoes that I got today, I'm super excited to share with you guys. I have on orange because they're orange, black, and gray. I don't know, orange is one of my favorite colors to wear, although lime green is one of my favorite colors. It's my favorite color, besides like transparent and black and gray. I always wear black and gray. I can't really wear transparent, but I like transparent cell phone cases, phones, laptop cases, and all that stuff. But the shoes that I'm going to share with you guys today are, and if you're smart, I already gave it away because I said the colors, but they are, ta-da! Actually, the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro in the sail black and starfish. It is kind of like a matte material on it, which is really cool. So I was a little hesitant about buying these at first, simply because I have these which are orange, and I was like I don't need two orange shoes, but these are totally different from these because these have more black, white, and gray in it, versus these are patent leather, high top, black, orange, and cream. So I was like, okay, let's just go ahead and get it. It's my birthday. This is one of my birthday presents to myself. And I'm glad I got them. I didn't get the off-white 4's, which I really wanted, and I didn't get the all-black 4's, which I really wanted as well. So I got these, and I'm pretty excited about them. Let's just go ahead and take it out of the box. So I wear a men's 8, so I had to get these in a women's 9.5. I love the way they feel right here. I think they're so cool. I didn't lace them up or anything yet, so I probably just keep the standard lace. I'm not too crazy about laces like some people are. Obviously the Jordan in the back. I like the way this looks. I like wearing 4's with shorts simply because you get to see the whole shoe. When you wear jeans, it kind of covers it, but I do have a pair of like cut off crop pants that I can't wait to wear with these, with like a gray shirt. It's gonna look really, really nice. And these are one of the shoes that I grabbed. Yeah, I'm so excited. I really like these. I hope I do them some justice. It's just a typical standard Jordan. Love how they look. Very comfortable. Typical shoe. I never really know what to talk about so much with Jordans or with shoe unboxings, simply because I'm not like, oh, a hype beast. I just like to wear nice stuff, honestly. And when I get my hands on it, I'm super glad that I can, because it's very rare for me to get shoes. Like, I have these, but I went through hell to get every single one of those. Like, every single one behind me, I went through hell. Like, there's a story behind each one of those shoes on how I got them. This one was pretty simple. I walked in, I said, hey, I want those. The guy was like, what size you wear? And I was like, this is my size. And he came out, I got it, and I left. The girls at Foot Locker in Cumberland Mall, thank you so much for being so nice. I did give you guys my Instagram and my YouTube. So if you're watching this, thank you so much for being so nice at Foot Locker. Appreciate you guys. So yeah, so that's these. Another pair of shoes that I got for my birthday are New Balance. I know you're probably like, New Balance, like, I felt like New Balance was more like a up north type thing. Like, when I was in college and high school, people would wear them. They would be from like New York and Jersey and Philly and Baltimore and stuff like that, and they really rocked them well. So I was like, I don't think I can do that. But these, I felt, are so nice. I posted these on Instagram, and I got so many compliments on it. They are extremely comfortable. I wore these, so they're a little dirty. I just have to wipe them off, but they're extremely comfortable, and I like them so much that not only did I get this color, I got this color. Now, this is the one I really wanted at first. They didn't have them in store, so I had to order them. It is a multicolored New Balance. It's very nice. There's a few colors in it, so it's going to go easy with everything. The bottom is like a nice, like, gum bottom. I thought at first I would feel these, but this bottom actually makes the shoe feel really, really comfortable. So I can wear it with red, orange, yellow, green, blue. I'm super excited for both of these. They both are super, super comfortable. I didn't want to get another pair of shoes that had red in it, but obviously it's more colors in this one than this one, so I was pretty excited about it. And these were only 90 bucks, so very, very good deal. They have them in a bunch of colors. They're super comfortable. There's even like a Levi's one, and they have them for kids, they have them for women, they have them for men's, and these are probably going to be one of my new favorite shoes outside of the ones, but these are really comfortable. So shout out to New Balance for coming up with the shoe that I really, really enjoy. Again, I can't stop mentioning how comfortable it was because it feels like you don't have anything on. They're super light, but they're also really comfortable. Like, there's no rubbing. The front is kind of like narrow, which I was nervous about at first, but once I put my foot in, I wear it with one thin sock, thick socks, whatever, they fit really good. So if you're interested in these are, I think, the 320s or 380s. Maybe I should look that up. Hold on. Okay, so they are the New Balance 327s. So if you're interested, check out Foot Action, Foot Locker. I think New Balance, obviously their website, they'll have them. But yeah, New Balance 327s, 327s. Very, very comfortable shoe. I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, so these are the 3 new bad boys that I picked up. Happy birthday to me. If you want to go ahead and send me some birthday money, you can, to help me get money back, because I don't know who I was buying these shoes, but I really wanted to treat myself for my birthday. I'm turning 30. I'm 30. I'm actually old now, so welcome to the club if you're 30. If you're approaching it, don't worry. Don't be afraid. It ain't nothing but another year. You should be blessed and grateful, and that's how I feel. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned to my Instagram. I post pictures frequently of stuff that I usually get as of late. I'm trying to do more fashion posts for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy. If this was your first time, again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below on what shoes you like or what you want me to try out, or if you cop these. I really want to know. And as always, guys, until the next video, I'm out.